Hi y'all, it's Anisha L here on Anisha L TV. Today I am at Riu Montego Bay in Jamaica. Today I am at Riu Montego Bay in Jamaica, and I thought I'd give you a little room tour. Okay, so let's try this room tour ting. So this is the door. Ooh, yay, the crowd goes wild. Enter in that way. They have a little refrigerator. They used to have a mini bar that was stocked apparently with alcoholic beverages, but because of COVID, right now it's no longer a thing. Refrigerator empty. I guess I can go to the office or somewhere and get something. The lighting ain't all that great. This is the restroom. Cute little shower. Ooh. My phone ringing. Who's calling me? Anyway, this is the restroom. Double sink, hair dryer, the place where all the action happens at in your personal time. I'm getting the shower again. It's got a shower door. They got, I guess, shampoo, maybe body soap if you're not bringing your own. But I got mine, so. Closet. They have an iron and a safe for you to put your stuff at. Ironing board here. Nightstand, and you have the bed. I guess it's a king size bed. I don't know. It's a pretty large bed. Got this mirror here. Yes, me barefooted. My luggage. They got a nice TV, a dresser, another nightstand with the telephone, a sofa to sit at, a table. They even have piece of artwork. This kind of gives it a homey feeling. You know, nice. My iconic bad sandals. A patio with a horrible view. I don't know how to open this. How do you open this thing? I don't know. Oh, okay. Gotta be smarter than the door. The door was almost smarter than me. Got this patio here. Got a chair and a table, 2 chairs and a table. I really don't want to shut the door because I don't know, I'm gonna be locked out and I'll be sick because I'm by myself at present. So this is the view of the balcony. Ooh. No mountain view, no sea view, just building view with some grass and a few tropical trees. But I guess it could be cool. It's real low key. Real low key, nobody really around. So I could be out here nude if I want to because nobody gonna see me. So I guess that's cool. They have a towel rack where you can hang your towels or your swimsuit to dry. So as I said, I'm at Montego Bay, Riu Montego Bay. That's the room. The room's so tiny. Tiny but big at the same time. I've been to Riu Xoxo Rios, and I right now, as far as the room, I like their room better. I'm gonna make the best of it. It's not horrible, but the room is nice. The room is nice. It's decent. I just liked it. The Riu Xoxo Rios better, but your room key turns on the lights. Without that, there's no lights. The neighbor's door, whoever the neighbor's is. How I enter my room through that quarter right there. Black folks, you be like, what they got in these drawers here? Nobody put anything in here. I'll be here for a little while, but just being nosy. Looking for, is there a Bible? No Bible? Nope, no Bible, you on your own. And this is how the room looks with no lights on. So this concludes the room tour. I'll be back later with something else to show you. These are my sandals. You know, I'm eclectic, eccentric, all of that. I'm just different. So this is me, and it's like a really nice shoe. You might look at the price of it and be like, I know you fucked that line. I ain't paying that. Well, it ain't for you, but it's for me.